I clean a lot of shoes, from cleaning our own shoes at our house to when my kids grow out of theirs. I'll sell those on eBay and I always clean them up. So I like having a good shoe cleaner around. How this one works, so that makes, and this is without soaking it. So the ones where, the ones like this, I can get away with if they're just a little bit dirty with just using the shoe cleaner and the brush. Another option you could do would be to soak this for a few hours and then go ahead and scrub it as well. So if you're dealing with something super dirty. So anyway, it's a very effective shoe cleaner. This brush that comes with it is wet. A little bit of cleaner goes a long way. So you just put a little bit on there. It comes out quick, so just take note of that. I always end up putting a little more than I want to. It works best on leather. So like white leather shoes, I get the absolute best result, but it's safe on the canvas material, and I don't find there's any yellowing or anything. The one I would be cautious with is suede. There can be some mixed opinions there, but you can see these shoes are all white, and you can see already what a difference